resolutions is to get healthier and get in better shape. But how many of us actually stick with it? News 13's Sarah Panko visited a local fitness center to see how you can get started and stay on track.
Good. Flutter again. Go for 5.
Marissa Herring owns Garage Mama Fitness in Winter Garden. The name comes from where she started, in her Miami garage, where she trained family and friends.
It's always great for fitness, January, February. But then we find that people tend to fall off the wagon.
Herring says while she's excited to see motivated clients this time of year, she wants them to be realistic with their New Year's resolutions.
Some people just go, I'm going to work out, but I'm not going to change my eating habits. No, we need to marry those two together.
Herring says before you head to the gym, plan out what you're going to do.
Have a combination of different training muscle groups, and don't get bored.
Can't make it to a gym? Herring recommends a leg curl.
If you're home and you want to start a program, you don't have all the machines, but you can also do body weight using and contracting your muscles.
Client Maria Mendez says her resolution to keep working out will hopefully rub off on others.
Continue trying to plan my meals accordingly, make good choices, and also try to stimulate my whole family to continue doing fitness.
In Winter Garden, Sarah Panko, News 13.
And to see a workout that'll help you get started on your New Year's resolution, go to our website, mynews13.com.